What's up everyone? 2018 Toyota Camry maintenance reset. I'm going to be using these arrow buttons right here. So basically I'm going to be pressing this one to go over on that menu up there. Let me get closer to the menu. Alright, so you're going to go, so you can go up left and right. You can use the arrow on your left hand side of your steering wheel. Go to vehicle settings right here in the middle, vehicle settings. Scheduled maintenance, hit that and go to reset data. Yes, and you're pressing enter with the OK button, and that says reset complete.